In this video, you're going to learn how to get a random number every minute. The issue in Google Sheets is we have these formulas rand, we have rand between, we have now, and also today. These formulas will update every time we change the sheet. We just have to edit any cell. We can even delete a row. But we don't want to take some action for these to update. Maybe we want these to randomly update every single minute. Well, we don't have to do anything in AppScript. We don't have to do any coding. All we have to do is go up to File, scroll down to Settings. Here you have at the top two options, General and Calculation. Click on Calculation, and in the recalculation options, we just need to select not on change, but on change and every minute, and click Save Settings. We can do this every hour if we want. All of these functions will now be updated on change and every single minute. I think that's pretty cool. I think that's a really fun way to add a little bit of life to your Google Sheets. You're watching Better Sheets here on YouTube. Make sure you check out this video or this video and subscribe right now to get more tips, tricks, how-tos, get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before. I'm excited to be making a ton more videos here. Ask me questions down in the comments and I will answer them in future videos. But for right now, right here, one of these videos is going to be your next Google Sheet.